25 in lesson 5 in module 5. We're going to see this at the bottom of the page, correct? One of the things I'm going to tell you about with this, before I start to separate out the triangles that we need to look at, is when you're looking for triangles, you need to think about what your formula is asking you to put in there, to substitute, so that you have the right information and can deconstruct in the right way, okay, or decompose in the right way. So tell me the area for a, tell me the formula for the area of a triangle. I'm sorry, we say what? Area equals okay, or you could say area equals half base times height. Either one of those works, right? Now I know that this class likes the first one, so that's what we're going to use. So what are the two pieces of information that you need to have right now that you know how to use to be able to find the area of a triangle? What are the two pieces? The base and the height. So if you're making a triangle with this shape here, this trapezoid that they have, if you're making a shape with these dotted lines that they're doing, you need to have a base and a height for the triangles that you make. Go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, your job is to take a look with your neighbors, not do it by yourself. Take a look with your neighbors at the trapezoid and the diagonal lines and figure out what it is, which one's going to work that's going to give you a base and a height. So let's take a look at this. If I use this one here, and I make this triangle here, do I have a base for that triangle? What is it? Do I have a base for that triangle? I heard a yes. So my yes person, tell me what it is. The rest of us are like, we don't know. Do you see something we don't see? How about if I do it this way? If I use that, do I now have a base for both of the triangles that are made? Yes. Ah, what's my base for my red triangle that I've got here? 3 okay, and what's my height for that red triangle? 18 meters. Okay, so for my red triangle, I would do a base of 3 meters, you said, and the height was 18 meters, and then I'm dividing it all by 2, correct? All right, let's take a look, and now I'm going to make a green triangle, and my green triangle, what's my base for that? 22 meters, and what's my height? 18 meters. And then I'm going to divide that by 2. Are we okay? All right, do the math. Okay, folks, so this is the kind of example that I'm going to give you on your tests. When I test this information, your ability to do this, I'm going to ask you to show your work like I have shown on the 2 sides, and then keep writing your formula. What is 54 divided by 2? 27. 27 meters squared. And what is 396 divided by 2? 198. Sorry. I think of brain part. How to write 190 what? 8. 198, right? Meters squared. I don't know why I'm trying to do something different there. And what would we have to do with these 2 values to be able to find the total? Add them together. Are we okay with that? So then we would add not 198 meters squared plus 27 meters squared. And what is 7 plus 8? 15. And 9 plus 1 plus 2? 12. And 1 plus 1? 2. So then we've got a total here for our we've got a total for our trapezoid. The total area The total area equals 225 meters squared. Are we okay with that? Yes? Does anybody have any questions? You can study